This charming living room highlights the delicate beauty of crochet lace patterns. Soft lavender tones create a peaceful and elegant cottage atmosphere. The vibrant crochet cushions and hanging chair instantly bring life to this sunroom. Handmade textures create a warm and inviting corner, perfect for relaxation. Crochet details add a timeless charm to this vintage living space. Each handmade piece complements the antique furniture beautifully. The colorful crochet blankets and cushions give this bedroom a cheerful, bohemian vibe. Handmade elements make every corner feel cozy and unique. Crochet textures transform this small corner into a charming rustic reading space. Every handmade detail adds warmth and personality. The bright crochet pieces make this playroom lively and fun. Handmade designs blend functionality with a playful, cozy aesthetic. This charming tea corner is beautifully styled with handmade crochet cushions and a delicate tablecloth. The warm colors and vintage furniture create a relaxing cottage atmosphere. The bold crochet poufs and wall tapestry bring a creative bohemian vibe to this lounge. Handmade textures add warmth and personality to the entire space. The floral crochet bedspread adds a romantic vintage charm to this cottage bedroom. Soft colors and handmade details make the room feel peaceful and dreamy. Handmade crochet placemats bring warmth and character to this rustic dining area. The earthy colors perfectly complement the farmhouse style. The crochet runner adds texture and elegance to this vintage hallway. Handmade accents turn a simple space into something truly charming. This crochet-decorated garden room feels fresh and lively. Bright handmade pieces blend beautifully with the natural greenery. The crochet blanket adds warmth and comfort beside the glowing fireplace. This cozy corner feels perfect for quiet winter evenings. This crochet studio is full of creative energy and color. Handmade wall art transforms the room into an inspiring workspace. Crochet kitchen details bring a nostalgic handmade charm. The soft textures make the kitchen feel welcoming and cozy. Delicate crochet throws add elegance to this vintage sitting room. The rich colors create a timeless and luxurious feel. The crochet cushions make this porch feel cheerful and inviting. It's a perfect country-style space to relax and enjoy the outdoors. This cozy library corner becomes even more inviting with crochet textures. Handmade details create a warm, reading atmosphere. The colorful crochet blankets perfectly match this retro living room style. Handmade patterns bring energy and nostalgia to the space. Crochet accents add a soft, romantic charm to this vintage vanity room. Every handmade detail enhances the delicate atmosphere. This guest room feels warm and welcoming with handmade crochet decor. The bright colors give the space a friendly and cozy touch. This cozy bedroom shows how handmade crochet textures can create a calm and romantic atmosphere. Soft lavender tones and delicate details bring vintage warmth to the entire space. The crochet runner and handmade details add warmth to this rustic farmhouse kitchen. Bright colors and natural textures make the space feel lively and welcoming. Crochet accents add a soft, romantic touch to this elegant vanity space. Handmade details enhance the beauty of the vintage decor. The crochet runner becomes the centerpiece of this elegant dining room. Rich colors and handmade textures create a timeless atmosphere. The crochet blanket adds warmth beside the glowing fireplace. Rich burgundy tones create the perfect cozy winter atmosphere. Crochet cushions bring a fresh, handmade charm to this bright garden room. Natural light and soft colors create a peaceful, relaxing space. This colorful crochet quilt makes the guest room feel warm and welcoming. Handmade patterns bring cheerful energy to the vintage space. This elegant dining room highlights the beauty of handmade crochet textures. Rich colors and vintage furniture create a warm and timeless atmosphere. This rustic kitchen comes alive with warm crochet accents and farmhouse charm. Handmade textures bring comfort and personality to the space. The glowing fireplace and crochet blanket create the perfect cozy winter corner. Handmade textures make the space feel warm and comforting. This romantic vanity room shows the delicate beauty of crochet lace details, create an elegant feminine space. This peaceful bedroom highlights the beauty of handmade crochet textures. Soft colors and warm sunlight create a relaxing French country atmosphere. This bright kitchen blends rustic farmhouse charm with delicate crochet details. Handmade textures make the space feel warm and inviting. Crochet lace details add a soft romantic charm to this elegant vanity space. The handmade textures bring warmth and beauty to the room. This sunlit room blends natural beauty with delicate crochet craftsmanship. Soft colors and sunlight create a peaceful handmade retreat. This sunlit bedroom beautifully showcases delicate crochet craftsmanship. Soft lavender tones and handmade textures create a peaceful French country retreat. This charming dining room highlights the beauty of handmade crochet details. Rustic textures and warm colors create a cozy French country atmosphere. This cozy reading nook celebrates colorful crochet artistry. Handmade textures turn a quiet corner into a warm and inviting retreat. This beautiful sunroom blends natural light with delicate crochet craftsmanship. Soft colors and handmade textures create a relaxing garden retreat. This cozy coffee corner feels like a small vintage cafe at home. Crochet details add warmth and character to the relaxing space. This welcoming hallway uses crochet textures to create warmth and character. Handmade details turn a simple entry into a charming space. This colorful studio celebrates the creativity behind crochet design. Bright yarn and handmade patterns fill the room with inspiration. This cozy fireplace corner shows the comforting beauty of crochet textures. Warm colors and firelight create a perfect winter retreat. This colorful balcony blends boho style with handmade crochet textures. Bright yarn colors create a relaxed and creative outdoor space. This garden tea setup feels romantic and peaceful with delicate crochet details. Soft flowers and handmade textures create a dreamy outdoor moment. This beautiful living room blends soft colors with delicate crochet craftsmanship. The handmade textures create a calm and welcoming atmosphere. The bold colors and crochet textures give this living room a vibrant personality. Handmade details bring warmth and vintage charm.